The future of smartphones is unpredictable. The future which might seem the future for you today might not be the future next year or maybe tomorrow, you never know. So in this video, let us dive deep into it and take a look together into the nearest future of our smartphones. I hope you guys will find this video interesting. So what's up everybody, this is your favorite tech companion, The Tech Geek, back with another video. And in this video, let us take a deep look at the nearest future of our smartphones. So without any further ado, let's roll in the intro. So we have seen the screen to body ratios of smartphones increasing day by day, and then we have seen these not smartphones, and then we have seen the pop-up cameras and many other things has caused too many revolutions in the smartphone. But these three new smartphones are going to introduce a new form factor in the era of the smartphones, and this might be the nearest future of the smartphones. Now Samsung is working on a big project named the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which allows you to convert your small phone into a greater display, like a tablet kind of thing, by just folding it. Now Samsung had a teaser of this thing many years back. I don't remember the date. Maybe you guys know. If you know, then please let me know in the comments down below. So I don't know when they teased it, but it is going to release next month, and guess what? It is a hell of a revolution. Now the smartphone has hinges which allows you to transform the small screen into a 7.3 inches tablet. And guess what? This particular device has 3 screens and 6 cameras. There are 3 cameras in the rear of the smartphone and 2 cameras in the front when you open the smartphone and convert it into a tablet, and a single front facing camera when the smartphone is in the handheld mode, I mean the smaller mode. Now suppose you're going to an office and you need to write an email or drop a message or do something quickly or click a quick snap, then you can use the small screen to do your work in just a go. And the interesting thing is you can just open the display, and the same thing which you have been doing in the smaller display will again go to the bigger display, and you can continue your work up there. So this thing is really innovative. I'm not going to tell you the specs here, it is on the screen, you can check it for your reference. Now this device definitely seems to be a hell of an innovation, and I'm definitely very excited for it. I will not get the thing in my hands of course, but I am really into this, and I really love the way the companies are bringing in new awesome innovative methods of smartphone form factors, and I definitely love that. Now smartphones hinge concept is actually good. I mean, it gives the smartphone a robust feeling. I mean that you can have a trust on the smartphone, like you have a belief that the phone is not going to break, and that feeling is really good. You buy a smartphone, you spend your hard-earned money on it, and you don't expect it to, you know, embarrass you in front of everyone and all. So it is definitely good. Samsung's concept is really trustworthy, and I definitely believe in what Samsung is doing, and this thing is really an innovation. Apart from the foldable capability, this smartphone has all other innovative features like the wireless power share and all. You can charge any device through wireless charging, which was seen on the Samsung Galaxy S9, I guess. Yeah, S9. So this feature is really cool, and there are a lot other features which Samsung has revealed for this smartphone, and I'm definitely a lot excited about this device. So best of luck Samsung for your innovative project, and I do believe in you. You can actually change the face of the smartphone industry. So the second thing is also a foldable kind of thing, and it is a smartphone by Huawei. Now the smartphone is named the Huawei Mate X. Now this smartphone does not have any hinge. It is just like a display which you can fold. Now the difference between the Fold and this is that the Samsung device folds it outwards and this kind of folds inwards, and there are no hinges in the smartphone. There is only a display which you open it and it transforms into two displays. That's simple, that's badass. When Huawei showed off this phone, there were few wrinkles and creases shown on the display of the smartphone, which is definitely a bit weird to see in such a smartphone which costs, more than $2,600 or $2,000. I don't know the exact price. By the way, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is priced at $1980, which is quite cool. I mean, this is the first generation of the smartphone and it's definitely innovative, and it should be priced somewhere around that, so it's okay, Samsung. But the Huawei product is priced a far ahead than the Samsung's product, and by the looks of it, I don't have too much trust on Huawei. I mean they can make it better before the final launch, I don't know, but by the looks of it, I don't think that I have too much trust in Huawei on this matter. The smartphone does not look too much good in the thing which they showed off in the event, but the Huawei's concept is bit more innovative than the Samsung's one. The Samsung has a small display which you fold it and there are two other displays which transform into the tablet, but here there is only one display and you open it and it transforms into two display. I mean, you still have that big screen thing. I mean, you're still using a smartphone and converting into a big screen, I mean a tablet. But this is not in case of the Samsung device. You have a small display and you fold it and you open it, and then you have two other displays joining together to form a tablet. But Huawei gives you the real smartphone feeling as well as the tablet feeling in just a compact device. So that is definitely good of Huawei, and I definitely appreciate your different approach towards it. I hope they will be successful in the making of this smartphone, and it definitely seems innovative. I do not have much specifications of this, but I will find it out and leave it for you in the screen so you can definitely check it for your reference. Now this device is supposed to be priced at $2,600 or something like that. I don't know the exact price, but I will leave it for you in the screen so you can check it out. And the third device which I have is a whole different approach towards the smartphone form factor. We have seen foldable smartphones, we have seen pop-up cameras, we have seen Type-C devices, we have seen many other things, but this smartphone from Vivo, the Vivo Apex 2019. I know Apex is a bit old smartphone and it was launched in 2018 by Vivo, and that definitely brought up the concept of the pop-up cameras, and it was really innovative. Vivo, Oppo, these brands are really innovative in bringing out new ideas and implementing them in their smartphones. But this time Vivo has come up with a different approach. You will be shocked to hear that this smartphone has no front-facing camera, no volume rockers, no power on off switch, no ports, no charging ports, nothing. This phone uses capacitive buttons and touch sensors to identify your gesture and power on the device, or increase the volume, decrease the volume and all. For the charging purpose, they are using magnetic pins which is on the back of the device, and there is a cable which will charge your device. So this smartphone is also really innovative, and it seems to open a new portal to a different generation of smartphones. I mean, they are gonna be badass. Where we are missing out of earphone jacks today, can you guys imagine a smartphone without any ports? I know it is quite hard to think of such things, but it really excites me and makes me look into the future of smartphones, which I see is really big. It is really innovative and it's cool. So I think I will leave the specifications on the screen so you can read it for your reference. I'm not going deep into the specifications of this device, of any of the devices, because I don't want to make the video long, But that was all I know about these three devices, and these three devices definitely excites me, and I hope it excites you a lot. So let's see when these devices are gonna be launched, and when they are launched I will definitely make a separate detailed video on these smartphones. So that's all for today. This is your favorite tech companion, the Tech Geek, bidding you a goodbye, and it is now I guess 12 o'clock or something, 11:47. I'm recording a video for you because I don't think I'll have the camera tomorrow. So that's it for today. I hope you guys found this video interesting. I didn't want to make the video long, so didn't go deep into any of the specifications. I just told you these concepts which really seem awesome to me. So that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot. If you did, then don't forget to smash the like button, and if you didn't like it, then you can dislike it. You're free to do that. Also, don't forget to comment and leave your thinkings down below so that I can see what are your views on these kind of smartphones. Also, you can tell me on what content should I make my future videos. So bye. I guess that's pretty much it. Yeah, I need to sleep now, so bye.